could have their own planes that could come in.
I think it's just like an actual airport, to be honest.
Because I don't see no big no.
Yeah, the last time I came here, there was plane here.
Look behind you, behind you. Oh my God, there's a plane landing right there.
Yeah, there was actually plane.
Yeah, because I see someone going to
Welcome to the Sunday School, Southend, Victoria. We will be calling at Prattlewell and Southend, Victoria.
Yeah, it's like they're giving a speech to the train.
Because you're speaking to them.
Yeah, and it's like, you don't even need a mic.
They are the bike.
Yeah, are the mic.
Something that.
So why this train is moving so slow now? Starting office right there. That's the train wash. Can you see? That's where the train go through. That one, look. See it right there?
I can't see it.
The train go through it and it's
the
wash.
big
Yeah, yeah. That's where they wash train. So you just take time and go through it and it just wash it like just like a car washing it.
Why just put here?
Yeah. But they have to just take time and drive.
That kind of driving now.
Maybe slower than that for it to wash. Cause I don't know why he's driving this slow. We at Southend, Victoria. That is like a 5 minutes from there to here, isn't it? Or less. Yeah.
That's Lori. It's gonna be here somewhere. It's salt water. The sea smells like salt water.